You panic when your phone rings in English and you let it go to voicemail. I'm Emily, and today you'll learn exactly what to say during phone calls in American English. Miss these phrases and you'll avoid important calls forever. Brian, do you like talking on the phone?
Not really. It's harder than face-to-face.
Why's that?
I can't see the person. I can't use my hands to explain things.
Exactly. That's why phone English feels scary, but we'll fix that today. First question, when someone calls you, what do you say?
Hello?
Yes, just hello works perfectly. Or you can say, hello, this is Brian. That's more formal.
When do I use the formal way?
For work calls or people you don't know well. With friends, just hello is fine.
What if I'm calling someone?
Good question. You start with, hi, this is Emily. May I speak to Brian?
May I speak to?
Right, it's polite. Practice. Say, may I speak to John?
May I speak to John?
Perfect. Say it again.
May I speak to John?
Great. Now, what if the person isn't there?
I don't know. What do I say?
You can ask, when will he be back? Or you can say, can I leave a message?
A message? Like voicemail?
Kind of. It means the other person will write down what you said and give it to them later.
Oh, like a note.
Exactly. So you say your name, your number, and why you're calling. Keep it short.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. Hi, this is Emily. My number is 555-1234. I'm calling about my appointment. Thanks.
That's it?
That's it. Simple and clear.
What if I can't hear them well?
Super common problem. Say, sorry, I can't hear you well. Can you speak up?
Speak up means louder?
Yes. Or you can say, can you repeat that if you missed something?
What about if it's a bad connection?
Just say, the connection is bad. Can I call you back?
Call you back?
It means you'll end this call and call again. Hopefully, the connection will be better.
Smart. What if someone calls but I'm busy?
Say, I'm sorry, I can't talk right now. Can I call you back later?
Is that rude?
Not at all. It's honest. People understand.
What about calling businesses like a restaurant or a doctor?
Different situation. You start with, hi, I'd like to make a reservation, or I'd like to make an appointment.
I'd like to.
Yeah, it's polite. More polite than I want to.
Oh, interesting.
So for a restaurant, you say, I'd like to make a reservation for 2 people at 7 o'clock.
Do I need to give my name?
They'll ask. They'll say, what name or name for the reservation?
Just my last name?
Either works, but usually last name for reservations.
What if they put me on hold?
On hold?
Yeah, when they play music and make you wait.
Oh, they'll say, can you hold please? You just say sure or yes.
How long do I wait?
Usually a minute or 2. If it's too long, you can hang up and call back.
What about leaving voicemails? I hate those.
Everyone hates those, but they're easy. Same as leaving a message with a person. Your name, your number, and why you're calling. Do I need to say goodbye?
Just thanks or talk to you soon works fine. What if I need to end a call but the person keeps talking?
Tricky one. You can say, I'm sorry, I have to go now, or I need to run.
I need to run? Like jogging?
No, it's just an expression. It means you need to leave or do something else.
That's funny.
English has lots of those. Oh, one more important thing. If you call the wrong number by mistake, just say, sorry, wrong number, and hang up.
That happens to me sometimes.
Happens to everyone. Don't worry about it. Okay, practice time. Say, may I speak to Sarah?
May I speak to Sarah?
Excellent. Now say, can you repeat that?
Can you repeat that?
Perfect. You've got this. Remember, if you miss something, just ask them to repeat. Nobody minds.
I feel way better about phone calls now.
Good. Now, I want to ask our listeners, what's the scariest part of phone calls in English for you? The beginning? Understanding the other person? Tell us in the comments. And if you want more real-life English like this, hit subscribe. We'll help you sound natural in every situation. Thanks for practicing with us.